Let's look at ICT equipment utilized in pig farming. This is a smart livestock concept map presented by the Motfra. By connecting various devices on the farm, ICT equipment manage the environmental conditions and control farm devices. Smart farms are constructed by introducing new devices with built-in ICT sensors, or by adding ICT sensors to already installed equipment on the farm. ICT equipment consists of a set of machines, sensors, and controllers. Of the ICT equipment types installed on pig farms, environmental management equipment accounted for the largest share, at 35.1%. Automatic feeding machines for lactating sows accounted for 25.4%. CCTV systems accounted for 11.7%. Pig mix feeders, 5.9%. Weight scales, 4.7%. Pig watering equipment, 3.7%. Feed bin level management systems, 3.2%. Automatic liquid feeding equipment, 2.7%. And automatic feeding apparatus for sow group housing, 0.9%. This slide shows ICT environmental management equipment for the pig pen. Environmental management equipment includes thermal lamps, mist sprayers, heaters, air conditioners, and ventilation fans. Pig pen environmental data measured by illuminance meters, gas meters, and thermohygrometers are input into data collectors. If an input value is outside the set normal range, the environmental controller operates thermostat, air conditioner, and the ventilation fan in order to maintain the optimal livestock environment. Devices are also installed to detect emergency situations such as short circuits, power outages, or fires. ICT equipment which manages environmental conditions also acts to deliver an alarm to the farmer about emergencies that may occur in the pig pen. Let's talk about ICT equipment for breeding management in pig farms. The feeding machine automatically delivers a set amount of feed at a set time tailored to each pig. It lets you know exactly how much and when the pig eats. ICT feeding machines for sows are divided into two categories: group distributor for pregnant sows, and individual distributors for lactating sows. The group distributor is installed in pig pens, in which several pigs live in the same space, such as pens for gilts or pregnant pigs. By identifying individual pigs with RFID ear tags, the amount of feed is controlled for each pig. Group distributors are classified as either tunnel type or stall type. Feeding machines for lactating sows are considered as the most important ICT equipment in the pig smart farm. In the farrowing pen, a sow stays in an individual space with her piglets, so the feeding amount can be controlled individually. Let me introduce a machine that supplies liquid feed to weaning pigs and fattening pigs in group breeding pig pens. Liquid feed reduces dust in pig pens and increases feed efficiency. In the feed mix feeder, dry feed and water are separately supplied to the pig pen and mixed at the final feeding stage to supply liquefied feed. In contrast, the automatic liquid feeder makes the feed in liquid form in a kitchen and supplies it to the pig pen through a pipeline. It is necessary to know the correct amount of feed intake and inventory in order to ensure the smooth supply of feed, which is the most important aspect of pig breeding. This is a feed bin manager which manages the remaining amount of feed in a bin. There are methods which directly measure feed weight with digital scales using load cells, or those which calculate feed weight through laser scanning. The amount of water input is measured using a drinking water management device installed on a pipe that enters the pig house or pig pen. Pig herds can be managed by comparing the amount of feed and drinking water. Now let's take a look at the equipment that weighs finishers and helps sort pigs for shipment. This picture shows a scale that measures the weight gain of pigs. It weighs the pigs every day and calculates their weight gain based on accumulated data. Recently, a great deal of research and development of image-based technology has been conducted. This picture shows devices which measure the weight of pigs using 3D scanners and depth cameras. It has been introduced on a pilot basis in the field. This is a pig sorting machine installed in a finishing pig pen. It measures the weight of each individual pig and sorts them according to criteria for shipment. Information management equipment includes CCTV and web cameras necessary for video management, and computer equipment, such as PCs and monitors, necessary for production management. This picture illustrates smart farm ICT equipment in pig farms, introduced so far. It is divided into individual equipment installed according to special characteristics of specific pig groups, and common equipment installed in all pig pens. This concludes this presentation.